We have let our enemies, people that hates us, people that does not want us to survive, to tell this story for us. Ndị anyị ndị na-agwa anyị nọmba anyị has ndị Igbo 30 something million people that lives in Eastern Nigeria. Nna guy bịagodo Aba n'ogodo n'ụzọ hụ imirigide mmadụ sọsọ na-arịarị gaa Port Harcourt gaa Ọnịcha gaa ebe niile. Now Lagos ọwụ chigodo ndị Igbo ma all the places ndị Igbo develop, gagodo Abuja, gaa Kaduna, gaa Kano, gazie Jos, gaa Adamawa, ma Maiduguri, ebe niile gị na-agwa m na ndị Igbo 30 million. We have let people control our narrative. We have let people control our history, which is bad, which is dangerous for our survival. It is time we take these things in our hands. We need to tell our own story. We need to be in charge of our history. Write our history by our own hands. Do some extensive research. This movement, Unify Igbos Now, it starts with us organizing a football competition where Igbo will come, where every Igbo will come and compete. Asoromampi, onye nwini oburu ego lawa, onye nwini oburu develop people, more people will identify. More people will identify. More of our people will come out from their shells. More of our people will identify. Believe me. Believe me. So let us keep intensifying. I want to gain a way support. I want to maybe support financially. Please keep doing it. If you are supporting us financially, don't stop. If you are supporting us morally, don't stop. Intensify it. If you are supporting us with any kind of material, do not stop. No.
These two draws its validity not just from the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Town project was an accident of grace. See who follows you and your direction. When I first thought about the Unified Igbos Now, I was filled with doubts if this is something that can work. I wouldn't know where to start, as it was a new idea. I think it was the design of the gods as such. Even though I was the first to initiate the Unified Igbos Now ideology, I submit.
Oh, your mark, let's go. Oh, your mark, let's go. Oh, your mark, let's go. Iwe kwelu go nyaya na nwanne ya. Iwe kwelu go nyaya na nwanne ya. Nive na me. Sokwemo. Nive na me. Nive de masokwemo.
Yes, no come. So funny. I am with the break master.